Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow sun. Let's learn together how to draw the sun. Let's get started. At first, I draw a circle shape. Then I continue with small triangles all around the circle. Ta-da! What a nice sun! Now let's draw a cute face for our sun. I draw 2 cute eyes, her smiling mouth, and her cheeks. Wow, it looks great! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow like this. I start with red here. Then orange. Yellow. Light green. Dark green. Light blue. Dark blue, light purple, dark purple, pink, cream, aqua blue, and finally, light brown. I use light red for her mouth and this marker for her cheeks. And I color her circle face yellow. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!